space for daily inspiration, wonderful stories, and all the positive energy you need to brighten up your week. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a topic that so many of us care about: how to find your unique personal style, express your true self, and walk through the world with unshakable confidence. To explore this, we are shining our spotlight on an extraordinary digital creator who is using her passion for fashion, arts, and positive living to inspire millions of people across the globe. Have you ever opened your closet in the morning, looked at all your clothes, and felt like you had nothing to wear? Or maybe you saw a beautiful, bold outfit online and thought, I love that, but I could never pull it off. We've all been there. It is so easy to fall into the trap of playing it safe or worrying about what other people might think. But this amazing creator is on a mission to change that mindset forever. She believes that style is not about following strict rules, chasing expensive luxury trends, or trying to fit into a specific mold. Instead, she shows her audience that style is a joyful form of self-care and artistic expression. Whether she's mixing bright, vibrant colors, showing how to style everyday wardrobe basics in clever new ways, or putting together cozy outfit ideas for a relaxed weekend, her channel is a complete gold mine of inspiration. When you watch her videos, you can immediately tell how much thought, love, and effort she puts into every single frame. She takes her viewers on a full journey, from picking out fabrics and textures to explaining how different colors can completely lift your mood on a rainy day. But beyond the clothes, what truly makes her stand out on social media is her radiant, welcoming energy. She speaks to her viewers like a close, trusted friend, always reminding everyone that the most beautiful thing you can ever wear is your own genuine smile. In a fast-paced online world where trends change overnight, her page feels like a warm, supportive haven. She has built an incredible community where people from all walks of life come together to cheer each other on, share style ideas, and build real confidence from the inside out. She proves every single day that when you embrace who you are and share your passion with an open heart, you can make the internet a much brighter, kinder place for everyone. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today on Journey Spark. If this story gave you a little boost of inspiration to step out in confidence today, please hit that like button to support our channel. We would love to hear from you, so drop a comment down below sharing your favorite outfit that always makes you feel confident. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily uplifting content. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and we'll see you in the very next video.